Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science.
The rain here in Bonaire, we complain about the sun and the heat. But the higher the sun, the less shade there's gonna be. That's why I said I'm not sure I can keep that promise. But I'll do my best. I will be looking for it.
No, we haven't. We've been walking for an hour.
On every party we have this kind of snacks. And funerals. There's always a reason to eat here.
A lot of cheese.
Yeah, and food, you know. We love food. This is our hobby here on the island.
So y'all know I don't drink, right? But I'm gonna have me a little shot of the mango rum. This is how it looks. It looks pretty good. Let's try it.
What the English name is, I wouldn't know.
Oh my God. Ooh, that's delicious. That mango, bomb. Bomb. I had to tell my brother. Is there any more here?
But the other painting he did was actually where I am the daughter of the business owner of the business he painted on.
So me and Chuck just got some gelato. Sorry. You want me to say did you want me to say your real name? Or?
I don't care.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to say it because Yes, we doing a vlog. What's up? Get in the vlog. Go ahead. Jerry. Hey. Go ahead. Jersey. Probably easier to go that way. All right, so we just got this gelato. Chuck, what kind did you get?
I got raspberry crumble pie and mushroom tart, which is, what do you say, cherry cheesecake? Rock.
Yo, well, first of all, let me put this up so we can see it because I feel like life is life and I can't see. Here we go. And I got Twix White.
Energy is fire, it's right. say tonight, baby, I might let you take all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets, completely intertwined. You're like a psychic, baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science, I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. Read you like a psychic, I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm back and showered and in lots of pain. I am staying back in the room. I really loved today's walk. I felt like the tour guide Jason was very informative. He didn't like walk us out of our mind. Everything was within at least 6 to 7 or I'll say 6 to 8 blocks. It was like a detailed explanation of every building. We tried things as you guys saw. We tried Pistachio for the second time because of course, you know, ABC Islands, they sometimes have the same like food and stuff like that. And then we had like the little cheese balls. Now I didn't ask what type of cheese was in there. I probably should have, but I think that's what has been sending me to this bathroom, but we're not even gonna get into details on that. Sorry. I'm so sorry for the lack of ship content. I do apologize for that because like I know some people like want to see cruise stuff, but at the same time, like I like the destinations and I like showing you guys like destinations. Like some people don't come on these vlogs just to see a boat, you know. Some people don't want to just see cruise stuff. So I'll do like cruise stuff on its own separate video, and then I'll do destinations like separately, if that makes sense. But yeah, you guys, I'll come back when we are in Grand Turks, and that will also be a day in Grand Turks or a few hours in Grand Turks. I'll see you. Love you. See ya. Bye. Oh, I don't even feel like doing it. Ooh.